Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm in the city of Costa Mesa. We're at the Goodwill. Really excited to take you guys in there with me. If you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian. Just like a spell here. Check out my shop. itsHadrian.com. See whatever sale from the Thrift Adventures. Ah, thank you. And also, if you guys are watching this video on or before Valentine's 2020, everything in my shop, itsHadrian.com, is going to be 25% off. Just make sure to message me first before you purchase. I can discount it for you because I can't do anything after you've already purchased the item. So again, 25% off everything. itsHadrian.com. All links will be down below in the description box. But we are checking out the handbags first. My favorite spots to look at. These fill-up room for Target bags are at all of the Goodwills in Orange County. Victoria's Secret. There's Claiborne. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little lettuce picture with a bunny on it. These are also cute little plants, but this mini little fig tree, $12. Here it's $8. Originally from Target. Ooh, look at these marble coasters. $7. Those little planters kind of cute. $3 for that guy. I have something with this almost exact print. It's like a thing for Starbucks. But this is probably not from that collection. Probably just looks similar. Ooh, how cute are these? Look at these little plates. I love the design. Fitz and Floyd always makes beautiful plates. These little ones with the boat stuff, super cute as well. Ooh, and floral motif. I love more florals. Ooh, it's Limoges, France. Limoges plates are pretty expensive, I think. Oh, I was like, they're broken, but they're not. Anniversary, fine china from Japan. I really want to see what these plates are. I'm hoping that they're pottery barn. Okay, I haven't checked yet, but let's see. Hot dog. Pottery barn Great White. I have these plates actually. That's why I'm like so familiar with them. That's why I thought they were pottery barn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 is $10. That is an amazing deal. I think that's less than the price of one plate. I think I'm gonna get them because these are always really good to have on hand. Ooh, these are so pretty together. Okay, where's the dinner plate? There's so many good plates right now. These are so pretty. They're Lennox plates. I really wanted to see what these said. Oh, Thankful. Robert Stanley. Wow, they're originally $20. They have them here for $5. These are House Beautiful. These are actually really good plates too. Ooh, and these are half off, but I'm not trying to get those plates right now. Got my Pottery Barn plates. These are really pretty too. Target Special. I really want to find like 8 of these flower bowls. That'd be so perfect. So are these the same style? So far we have 4. I wonder if we could find any more. Q. Threshold. Looking for like anything Yeti or Hydro Flasky. They do have clean canteens. Hey, I have this. $4.99. This one is pretty like messed up though. My dad was actually using it for a while and mine actually got like that too, so that does happen after a while with those cups. They like get scratched up and the black like paint gets chipped off. This is not a Yeti. We do this. No. Not Starbucks. Look into the vases and stuff. That one is actually really, really pretty. Gilded chiffon. It smells pretty nice. No price tag on it. Ooh, Lily Pulitzer stuff. Doink, doink, doink. Ooh, 4 bowls for $10. Okay, they resell for kind of a lot. Or not. Like some of them are like only 30 something, some of them are 60, 70. So I guess it really depends on where you're gonna resell them. But I'm actually just planning on using these. So I just wanted to see the resale value, if anything. Though I do want a set, like another set, because I would love to have for flowers.com. I just like thought the print was really pretty. Okay, anyway, they have these Kohler
restroom assistance, please. Restroom assistance.
like towel holders, $6.99. They have this intense Play-Doh set as well. That is so crazy. Eliza would go nuts. Why do I kind of like this fake fig tree? $7.99. It's pretty cute, right? What's up, you guys? We are back at the house and I'm really excited to show you guys what we ended up getting because we got some pretty good stuff. We didn't get too much stuff at this particular location, but the stuff we got was like primo stuff. So, okay, let me first start off. I got, how many of these plates did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of these plates. And these are the Great White Pottery Barn Rim plates. I believe it's called Great White Rim. These are one of the my brain stopped working. This is excuse me. One of the collections of dinnerware that they have at Pottery Barn, and I love like any of the Great White stuff from that collection from Pottery Barn is like literally amazing. Great White Rim, which is what this is the largest plate. It also has the biggest like kind of like lip like this, like a dip. I don't know what you would call that. But I just love these so much. You can actually, these are large plates. You can actually use them as chargers if you want, and then you can have like a smaller plate in the middle. It would be really, really cute. Or you can like use it to like stack like your dinner plate, then you have your salad plate, then you have your soup bowl, So you can do that as well with these. We can do so much. What I love about the Great White Rim too is you can I believe you can put these into the oven up to 380 degrees. Don't quote me on that though. You have to check the website, but I'm pretty sure it's something like that. Like whenever like we're heating up food or like keeping food warm in the oven, and like the warmer the oven doesn't go like too hot, it doesn't go up to 380. We can just put these in there and they're totally fine. And I love them. Dishwasher, microwave safe, everything. These are perfect. So I know I'm probably like gonna regret telling you guys to get these plates if you guys ever see them at your store, because I'll never see them ever again. But I have enough of these, honestly, so it's okay. You guys, please get them. If you see them, they are fantastic. I love these plates so much. And yeah, beautiful white plates. I love white plates so much because you can mix and match them with everything. You can have a beautiful setting of just all white plates, and then just get one little set of like decorative like floral plates, or like ones with fun animals or fun print or a fun color, and then like you just however many settings you have, like 6 or 8 or whatever, and then bam, like it totally elevates your whole look. And you have all the other plates as well, and they just accentuate it. So it's just like, you know, love it. Love thrifting plates. I feel like people kind of overlook that, and people kind of get grossed out by it, I think, which is weird. And then I'm like, well, when you go to a restaurant, even more people have eaten off of those plates at the restaurant than these plates that you're buying at the Goodwill. And also, you're washing these plates yourself, so you know how clean they are, because you never know how clean those plates are at the restaurant, honestly, right? So now that I put that into your heads, let's continue with the haul. I'm awful. Okay, ooh, I almost kicked the camera. Did kick the camera. Okay, so that, and then the one other thing I got, which is right next to me, and it is my little fig, my mini fig. Is this a fig? I don't know what this is. My little grape. Are these grapes? Maybe they are grapes. Whatever this faux tree is, love it. And this was like $8.99, $9.99, $7.99, something like that. So really excited. I just wanted some faux foliage. I kind of like it like next to me in this video, and I feel like I want it to be like my little like sidekick in all of my haul videos, because I feel like there's someone to help make the video more exciting. Doesn't it like look so much more dynamic that there's like a plant right next to me? But anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. It was a blast taking you guys into that store. I love the Costa Mesa store. It's a small store. It's probably one of the smallest ones in Orange County. But there's so much stuff. There's always a ton of stuff there. You never know what you're going to find. Didn't get too much stuff this time, but the stuff that I got is spectacular. These plates, I'm going to be using these plates forever. I have a bunch of these great white plates that I actually have thrifted already, and this is just adding to my existing collection. And these are perfect for like dinner parties, or especially when you're having a lot of people over and just need a bunch of white plates. These are fantastic. They are a little heavy though, but they are excellent. So that is the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's video, bright and early at 7 a.m, the new video. And there's a vlog as well up at 2 p.m. Also, if you guys haven't already checked out the shop, itsHadrian.com. If you're watching this video on or before Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2020. I'm offering a sale in the shop, 25% off your entire purchase. Just make sure to message me first. All the links are going to be down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I love you guys immensely, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios! Bye! And we are back to one of my most favorite stores. This location is definitely one of my faves. Let's see what we can find today. It's a little bit later. You don't also usually come here on Sundays, especially at this time. So, let's see what we can find. I love that they still have so many of these birds. Does anyone ever buy them? $30.